Hey beautiful people, I hope you are doing well, and I'm Kamrul Hassan. Here is my digital marketing and SEO career. You can see from here, and today I discuss about the local SEO for real estate agent, a guide to dominate local searches. If you are a real estate business owner or real estate agent, this video for you, because I will show you some data, real data. So just watch this video till the end. Here is the details. What is local SEO and why does it matter for real estate agent? Local SEO focus on optimizing your online presence to attract client in your area. Like example, you are live in NYC and you want to search real estate near me, because when we are searching something in area based or city based, so which business actually based on those cities, actually we find them. So this is the local SEO. If our business we are doing or implement in local SEO, then our client find us, or if you are not doing the local SEO, then client find our competitor. Then help your also local SEO help your businesses rank higher in the Google search and location based search, and also Google map, and also you can say 3-pack. What is 3-pack? I will show you here. So I just search real estate NYC. You can see here is the website data, and first 3 was advertising, we could say Google ads, and here is the organic data, and after that here is the actually 3-pack we call in the local SEO. So you can see here, when we are doing actually local SEO, so we have to connect our Google business profile or Google My Business profile, integrate with our website. Then actually we are trying to get ranked on the top position in ACRP page. ACRP means search engine result page, in the top position like this position, and also we are trying to our GBP from this position, and also we are ranked the map first position. So this is our target through the local SEO. So if you are a real estate business owner, you have to focus on local SEO. I hope you are understand what is local SEO and why your business need local SEO services. Okay, the second point was claim and optimize your Google business profile. So if you have a Google business profile, you have to claim your business, because if you don't claim your business, actually Google don't understand this is this business is exist from your side, or is your competitor is like another business. So you have to claim your business, and you have to tell Google algorithm, yeah, this is my business. Okay, here is first one, ensure your business is listed and verified on Google. You can see here those businesses already listed in the Google map pack, and they are actually verified business. If I want to click here in this business, you can see I can see here this is the verified. You can see this property, Alpha Properties NYC, is the verified business, and also they are listing on the Google map. So your business not optimized, or you didn't claim Google My Business profile, so this is the right time. Go to the Google business profile and claim your business. What kind of information actually do you need when you are doing optimize your business? So address, add some business details, name, address, phone number. So we call it in our language, it's the NAP. When you input your NAP information in the Google business profile, you obviously focus on that, because this is the most important part for the Google business profile. Please don't use multiple business address or multiple phone number. Then third point is add high quality image, virtual tour and properties. If your business have the property inside pro photo or outside photo, so you can upload on the GBP or Google Business Profile. It's help for the client when they find out your profile, they actually see what is your property and they can understand, okay, this property is perfect for me. So you need to guide your client through the visual part. And when you get your businesses any feedback or review, you have to respond them in a positive way. This is also a part of the optimization. So okay, I know you understand this. If you have any question, please comment us. Okay, then keep your NAP consistent across all platform. So when you are already listing GBB and already your NAP information was correct on the GB profile, so you right after that you have to circulate your NAP every platform. So you have to submit lots of directories like Yelp, Yellow Page, Zillow, Realtor.com, lots of city base, like country base, lots of directory have. So you have to saturate your NAP on those platform. Then you have to trust those platform, trust, and also you have to say your client, please can you give us the review or feedback in our those directory like Yellow Pages, Trustpilot. They have lots of directories. Okay, then optimize your website with local keyword. Okay, maximum real estate business owner, we are doing this mistake because we are doing local, we are actually based on local area, or we are doing business on the local area. But when we are build a website or we are build our GB profile, but we are didn't focus any local keyword. So if you are a business owner for real estate business or like other business, you have to must focus on local based keyword. If your business exists in the New York, you have to use New York. Use location based keyword in the page, title, meta description, heading, in the your content body part, alter tag, each and every section. It's obviously you need a plan for keyword research and content planning for that. Then optimize your other pages. You can also see here optimize property listing with cities name and neighborhoods, and create local content like home for sale in NYC or New York. Here is the example. Okay, the next, create dedicated landing page for each location. Okay, when your website was ready, you are not actually selling in the only NYC. If you see, if NYC is not a small city, there is lots of area, you have to create an individual landing page for those areas. Then you get lots of traffic and it's easy to rank for you rank for the first position or 3-pack or map. It's help you. And build a landing page for a specific neighbor or region. Include location based keyword, neighborhood guides, and local property listing. Help target a specific search for buyers and sellers in different area. Okay, I think you can understand what I am saying. So if you want to get more information about the real estate business, how can you solve the SEO sector, if you need more video, please subscribe our channel and get the tips from us. Or if you thinking, okay, you need a consultant from us, you can book a meeting through our website. It's a totally free 45-minute consultant. Okay, next point, build local citation for better authority. So citation is more important for local SEO. Submit your business to local online directories. Ensure your name was correct for all the citation part or all the citation directory. Your name, address, phone number, every single word was matched for every directories. Then high quality local citation boost your search ranking. Okay. Next one, make sure your website is mobile friendly and get review and testimonial. So maximum time we are not focusing on the mobile version, but we didn't know the maximum client or maximum user visit our website through the mobile phone. So this is the biggest opportunity to get lots of potential customer and grab their attention through the mobile version. So you have to optimize the website through for mobile devices. Then ensure your website is responsive and fast loading for the smartphone and tabs. Improve user experience for people searching for real estate on the go. So this is the some point for mobile friendly or mobile optimization for your website. And the most interesting part, get review and testimonials. So positive review on the Google and others platform can improve your local SEO, because actually when any client find us and they want to come us, they actually saw what previous client say our service or what about our business. So they actually find those reviews and testimonials. It's important. And ask a specific client for review on like Google Map, Zillow, Realtor, Yelp, this kind of platform like Trustpilot. Response to review to build trust and engagement with your targeted client who gave you the reviews and testimonial. If possible, you politely ask your client, please can you give me a video review for our businesses. It will more helpful for your business. Okay, next one, engage with local social media and create local content. Okay, we are not just focusing on the just website or like this kind of platform. We have also focused on our social media, and we have to also focus on our video content. Those are based on actually local based. We have to focus on this local area or which city actually we are targeting. So we are doing social media marketing through Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and those kind of platform. And the local content like blog writing, then guides, some tips, and then specific make this video helpful content like 10 tips for real estate property, like that. This kind of video content or article or blog post. Okay, then build local backlink and monitor your local SEO performance. So partner with local business news outlet or influencer to get backlinks, and sponsor local event. Then if your specific city have any community, then ask for the backlinks and invite them. The earn backlinks, lots of way you have to generate more qualified backlink. What is the way? If you comment want to know backlink strategy for local SEO, I will share this strategy. How can you earn free quality backlink for the real estate business owner? Okay, then also focus on one thing, quality local backlink improve your authority in the local search ranking. Okay, then monitor local search performance using tool like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and also bright local dominator, then localo, lots of tool, white spark. This is the local traffic, and we can also track the keyword is ranking or keyword ranking drop. We are track the specific area. Then monitoring your local ranking for targeted keyword, and we have to regularly actually analysis our performance, what did on previous month and what is the growth for this month and what is the plan for the last month, because we are actually doing planning for 3 months for every businesses. Okay, next step, claim your Google My Business profile, optimize. If your business is new, this step for your businesses, or you don't have any GMB profile. So claim your Google My Business profile, or I have just add one more thing. Sometimes we don't create any Google My Business profile, so our competitor, they actually create this kind of profile. So we have to claim them and optimize for our businesses, and add their local keyword and integrate our website. So how can actually you claim? There is lots of video in the YouTube. You can just search how can I claim Google Business profile. So you can see lots of video from the YouTube. And encourage, review, engage on the social media and like others platform, and get quality backlink. And obviously you have to connect with your audience and continuous like GBB post, and doing like a specific event, organize specific event for the real estate, and what is your business service, and why your business is the best for your competitor. You have to mention through this platform. Okay, so this is the last slide, and you can see here is our client base. So this is the international and local client. So we are working almost 100 plus client in the worldwide. So there is just some few of client I will show you, and here is the SEO success story. I show you one of our client success story, but here is the privacy reason I didn't show. The luxury property agency is based on London. I didn't show you because the privacy policy, when we are actually working with any client, so we have a terms and condition paper. So if clients say yeah, you can reveal our data, then we do it. If clients say no, we cannot do it. So one of our Portugal restaurant owner who actually give us the authority, you can show my data, or if you want to use my data, it's okay. So that's why I am actually showing the restaurant business local SEO and this is the actually real data. You can see here here is the business in the based on Portugal, and this is the you can see GBB or Google Business Profile. So if I am going to the performance sector, you can see here. So when we are actually working on August month, and here is the July data. This is the just opening date. You can see here is 30, and when we are working on July month is to almost, you can see here the result, and we are just working on the October. In this November we are actually didn't any work, just we are doing work just only 3 months for these businesses, and you can see here the growth. This is the real data you can see here. And if you can see just the last month, I just show you, you can see the growth. This is the real data actually we are doing for our client. And you can see here is the last, so okay, almost 20 menu, and you can see here there's no booking but almost 28 direction, and what is the call data is almost 26. So this business is right now is growing. So we are doing a local SEO for this business. And if you are a real estate business owner, if you want to grow your business like 10x and get more qualified leads, then contact with Digital Wit. Just search on Digital Wit, WIT, and you can find us and book a meeting, and you can get a free consultant through us. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.